I'll show you Chinese characters relating to time and explain their Chinese radicals. The characters are 秒 second, 分 minute, and 时 hour.
The first one is 秒 second. The left part is the radical called 和 and it means grains. The lower part is 木 and adds 撇 on the top of 木 to make it 和. To memorize 和, you may imagine when the grains are straw, yellow colored, they bow their heads. The right part is 少. It means not many or a short time. A second is not much. 分 means minute. As a verb, 分 means to divide. Its radical is 刀 and it means a knife. We use a knife to divide. For the upper part, do you still remember 八? I showed you in the previous video, and it is the number 8. To remember 分, divide something with a knife into 8 pieces in a minute. What comes to your mind? For me, it's a pizza. I hope it helps you to remember 分. Final one is 时 hour. The left part is the radical 日 and that means sun or day. Please remember 日 because it's an essential character in Chinese. You may see it often. 日 is a pictograph of the sun. The right part is 四. It means a temple. Its pronunciation is similar to 时. 时 is the second tone, while 四 is the fourth tone.